Unfortunate for everyone to make a video in this way. Today I will show you MP5 upper receiver. This thing cost me $80 and the box is very big but not too heavy. The weight is similar to original P1. The upper receiver is made of zinc alloy. Although it's zinc alloy, but it's well made. Ldt always give me some surprise. Just like this, you can look here and here. Some parts of my upper receiver seems to be worn out. The metal upper receiver is similar to that of plastic receiver, but the metal upper receiver with a weak metal luster, except for worn out. The overall work is pretty delicate, but the internal work is a little rough. I'm afraid it will influence gearbox and recover. Besides, the lacquer is flat. The lettering is clear. The zinc alloy upper receiver is a split structure. In addition to the receiver body, there is an outer tuber. But there are no small parts and need to be removed from the original MP5. Compare plastic and metal upper receiver, we can see except for the material, there is almost no difference between the two. Let's assemble the metal upper receiver with original parts and see how it fits. As a result, most of the original parts are available, but rear set screw is too long and can be replaced with a shorter one. Use this. Replace this. It's original parts.